Bright sunny morning in a lush green forest. Birds are chirping. Hello, little explorers. Today we are going on a wild adventure to meet some of the most amazing birds in the world. Get ready to learn about these fantastic feathered friends and this special talent. If you are new on the channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's fly in the world of birds. A toucan on a tree branch. Its large, colorful beak is prominent. First, let's meet a toucan. Toucans are famous for their huge, colorful beaks. They lived in the tropical rainforest of Central and South America. Their bright beaks help them reach fruit on a tall and attract mates. Even though their beaks are big, they are actually a light because they are made of a special honeycomb-like structure inside. Cool, right? Crow perched on a fence. Look curious. Say hello to Crow. Crows are super smart and can even use tools to help them find food. They live in many different places, from forests to city. Crows are great to solving problems and they can even remember faces if a crow see you often. It might recognize you and know if you are friendly or not. Crows are very smart and cunning. A flamingo stands in a shallow lake. Its long neck curved gracefully. Here is a flamingo. Flamingos are famous there for bright pink feathers and long skinny legs. They look like sand too in the shallow water, where they use their special beaks to filter out small fishes and tiny creatures from the water. Did you know that flamingos are born gray? They turn pink as they grow older because of the food they eat. This is amazing, right? A hummingbird hovering near flowers, its wings beating quickly. Look, it's a hummingbird. These little birds are flying jewels with colorful feathers that shimmering in the sunlight. Hummingbirds can flap their wings incredibly fast, about 50 or 80 times a second, which let them hover in a one spot. Amazing, right? They drink nectar from flowers and their tiny size helps them dart from bloom to bloom without being noticed. Okay, that's great. Was a green parrot sitting on a jungle, squawking loudly. Its feathers are bright green with a splash of colors. Its wings. Next, say hello to green parrot. These colorful birds are known for being super smart. Green parrot can mimic sound and even copy human speech. They live in the tropical forests and rainforests, especially in South America. Parrots use their strong beaks to crack nuts and seeds. And don't forget, parrots love to be social. They enjoy hanging out in parks, chatting with their friends. I like green parrots. Peacock spreading its beautiful colorful tail feathers. Wow, look at this. It's a peacock. Peacocks are known for their incredible tail feathers, which they can spread out in a fan to show how beautiful eye spots. Male peacocks use this stunning display to attract females. They're bigger and brighter. The fan, that more impressive they look. Peacocks are lived everywhere. Wild farmhouses, even a house. You can raise a peacock at your home. They are so cute and beautiful. Ostrich running across the plains. Its long leg carrying it quickly. Hold on tight. Here comes the ostrich. This big bird can't fly, but it's one of the fastest runners in the bird. Reach speed of to 45 miles per hour. Ostrich lives in Africa, and you have strong legs that help them run away from the predators. And guess what? They have the largest eggs of any living land animals. Wow! 40 penguin waddling on the ice in Arctic. At least we meet the penguin. Penguins are birds that live in a cold place like Arctic. They can fly, but they are expert swimmers. Their flippers act like wings in the water, helping them zoom through the ocean to the catch fish. Penguins also huddling together to keep warm in the freezing cold. They walk like a giggling. They also have friendly behavior with the humans. Is it amazing? Walk along a city street, picking at crumbs. Have you seen a pigeon? Pigeons are everywhere. These birds live in the cities, on farms, even in the wild. They are really good at finding their way home, which is a way people have used pigeons to carry messages for thousands of years. Pigeons are also very social and love to hang out in groups called flocks. They are so cute and beautiful. Owl on a tree at dusk, its large eyes glowing in the low light. Now it's time to meet owl. Owls are nighttime hunters and they have super-powered hearing and vision to help them see in the dark with their large eyes and quiet wings. Owls can sneak up on mice and other small animals. They even rotate their heads almost way around to look back them. How spooky! Oh, what an amazing adventure we had today. From the colorful toucan to clever crow. We've learned so much about these wild birds. Remember, each bird has its own special way to living. We should always respect and protect their homes in the wild. Thanks for flying with us today. See you in next time for more animal adventures. Keep watching, like, share and subscribe. Danyal Haider Cartoon for Kids. Meet you in the next educational video. Goodbye.